First things first, I want to make sure the roof is nice and clean so I'm not putting any more scratches in the paint while I'm positioning the rack. This fit kit is specific to early 90s Honda Civics. I thought that the pad profile was pretty close and the outside clamp was spot on. It just needed a little bend in the vise to open it up a little bit, make it match the body profile. This pad almost works perfectly, except for since it pulls up and away from the body, it's going to let dirt and crap get in between the pad and the paint. So I'm going to opt for a flat roof pad. This pad is actually from the kit for the Conquest. Just the usual when installing your roof rack, making sure everything's equally distant. Make sure it's nice and tight and snug. It's not going to come loose and let your load go sailing into the car in front of you. So it's been a week building the fairing now. This is dye bond. It's 2 aluminum sheets with a piece of plastic sandwich in between. You find it in the sign business. It's fairly cheap and easy to work with. I'm using a jigsaw with a fine tooth blade. Cut it, gives it a really nice edge, and it doesn't require too much cleanup. Little template that I kept from when I made the fairing for the Del Sol. This strip of like 1 inch by 1/8 inch aluminum, you can get it like Home Depot. I'm using clamps from an older ski kit. Using these clamps yields a really clean look that I like a lot better than the actual fairing clamps you'll see with the fairing kits. Sunset appreciation here. I had to stop and share this with you guys. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm going to pack it in for the night. Too close to being done to stop. These fairings are oversized. They don't need to be this big. When you're looking at it straight on, it hides the towers a little bit. I prefer that look versus having a properly aerodynamically sized fairing fits between the towers. Produces no more drag than necessary. Super happy with how it turned out. I appreciate your interest in my projects. Hope you like and subscribe and tag along for the next one.